In this video, I'll be telling you about the data workflow and the different job roles within the data workflow. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise, and here on this platform we help young professionals navigate their way through data science or artificial intelligence. If you are new here, you're welcome to the family, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate. So diving right into the video for today, first I will be talking about is data workflow. We have data extraction and storage, we have data preparation, we have data exploration and visualization, and we have experimentation and prediction. I'm very sure you are familiar with this diagram, but here I'm introducing a new field called the data engineering. Data engineering involves extraction, storage, and transformation of data into databases. Data engineers help make data sets usable for data scientists. They transform these data sets, and make it usable for data scientists. So they source for data, they transform the data, and store the data in databases where data scientists can retrieve and carry out their experiment or analysis on. Yeah, I'm talking about the different job roles in the data field. There are lots of roles. I just summarized them into 4 that covers everything that we work with. So we have the data engineers, we have data analysts, we have data scientists, and we have machine learning engineers. So I'll be talking about their responsibilities. I'm talking about the programming languages they use and libraries they work with. For data engineers, they control the flow of data. So they build pipelines for data. So they source for data, that is, they capture data, they transform it, and they load it. So there's this term called ETL or ELT. So extract, transform, load, or extract, load, transform. So it just depends on the organization and which they prefer. They build databases or data lakes for data to be stored in. For the data engineers, the programming languages you want to focus on SQL. For SQL is structured query languages. So if you're working with structured data, you work with SQL, and NoSQL for unstructured databases. So you also want to learn Java, Scala, or Python to process your data. Data analysts, they look at the data, they carry out some data preparation, cleaning of data to suit their business needs, while a data engineer carries out transformation of the whole data set. Data analysts just carries out transformation to suit its or our own operation. They create visualization charts, look for insights and trends within the data. They use tools like SQL to retrieve and request for data, while a data analyst uses SQL to retrieve data. A data engineer uses SQL to store and organize data, so you should know the difference. They may use or may not use R or Python, it's not compulsory. So they work more with traditional data sets using spreadsheets like your Excel for carrying out analysis, and business intelligence tools like Tableau, Power BI, Looker for dashboard visualization, and the rest. The third we have is data scientist. A data scientist carries out in-depth statistical analysis with our data. They analyze for insight, for patterns, trends, and they could also carry out basic machine learning operations. And the softwares or programming language a data scientist should focus on would be SQL to retrieve data set, like I mentioned earlier. Talk about Python or R, so it depends on where you feel comfortable. So you could use Python or R for data science. So if you want to really focus on data sciences, you maybe want to lean more towards R. A data scientist uses libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Scientific Python, and Matplotlib. So in my next video, I'll be talking about details of these different libraries and what they use for. Then we have, last but not least, a machine learning engineer. So these people, they work with data to create predictions, to predict for things and extrapolate. It could be classification or regression problems. They also carry out deep learning and other advanced artificial intelligence responsibilities. For a machine learning engineer, you want to focus on Python, learning Python, and you could also do SQL, but not compulsory. But Python is a programming language you should focus on. As a summary, a data engineer stores and look after data. A data analyst carries out visualization or describe data. A data scientist gain insight, looks for patterns in data set, while a machine learning engineer makes prediction with the data. I need you to pause this video right now. From what we've talked about so far, the different roles in the data science space, and based on the workflow I mentioned in previous slide, can you already fit in where these different roles fit in the workflow? So I'll just give you a few minutes to do that. I hope you got that correctly. So a data engineer handles the first part of the workflow, collects, extracts, and stores data. A data analyst carries out data preparation, specific data preparation to suit his business goals, while a data scientist also carries out data preparation also to suit what he wants to do, carries out exploration and visualization of data set, and performs basic machine learning operations, while a machine learning engineer focuses on the last part of the workflow, carrying out experiment and prediction using the data. I hope you've enjoyed this video so far. Let me know what you enjoyed most in this video and something you've learned. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. And if you have suggestion of videos you think I should make or whatever interests you, also put that in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. In my next video, I'll be talking about the toolkit for a data scientist, all the things you need to begin your data science journey. So watch out. Thanks for watching. See you next time.